Oh, man! Mga pamilya! Please welcome ang charming chinito ng Paranaque, Richard Juan!
Yun!
Hello po.
Hello, hello. Kumusta? Kumusta? John Lloyd?
Welcome. Oh,
Robbie, sorry.
Oh, I almost got full there.
almost got fooled. Welcome to PBB 737 Online. Okay, so we saw a few pictures of you. You were born in...
I was actually born here, but I was raised in Hong Kong.
Okay.
So I moved to Hong Kong when I was around 1 month old pa lang.
Okay. Pa lang. Oh, so may Tagalog words
Pero
ka din
marunong ng Tagalog.
Yeah, I've been here for 4.5 years na po. So
ayan.
and I studied in UP also. So yung environment ko, parang lahat ng tao, speak
marunong naman
Tagalog.
pala mag-Tagalog. Akala ko
Hindi na
naman nosebleed tayo dito.
Patanggal na
Okay.
po yung mga boards kasi Tagalog.
Okay, ito ang si Richard. So wait, you were born here because your parents were working here or dahil...
My parents were actually it started all the way from my grandfather pa. My grandfather moved to Philippines from China. And then that's where, you know, he stayed here all along. He actually fought for Philippines in a World War II then.
Oh,
He is a World War veteran. World War II veteran.
Ako gusto kong malaman, kasi sinabi mo nga, doon ka lumaki sa Hong Kong. Taka bumalik ka dito sa Pilipinas
Para mag-aral.
mag-aral.
Yeah.
Gaano kaiba yung buhay mo doon sa Hong Kong dito sa Pilipinas?
Saan ba ako mag-start? I guess we can start yung weather. Yung
sa panahon,
yung
okay.
panahon sa panahon, super different kasi like sa Hong Kong, there's winter and there's summer, diba? So lagi pag summer, I always like hope for winter. And pag sa winter naman, lagi I hope for naman sa summer. So
Ganun ba
parang
kainit doon sa Hong Kong?
medyo mainit din. I mean, it's very humid pa.
Pero dito, summer forever.
Summer forever.
With ulan lang.
Yeah, so parang I don't want to dread for ulan naman kasi alam mo, ulan, hirap na sa mga ulan. So, yeah.
Wait, so nung nag-aral ka, raised hanggang high school, nag-aral ka in Hong Kong, ginusto mo ba na dito ka mag-aral ng college? Or medyo sa una
Tama.
parang bakit ko pa kailangan pumunta doon?
Malayo.
Actually, malapit. That was the reason why. Kasi like, I was kind of presented the opportunity from my dad na. Kasi my dad is also UP graduate also.
Okay.
So parang sinabi na sa akin na, why don't you go to the Philippines, you know, follow my footsteps. And he also taught in UP then before. So parang it's an opportunity for me to explore where he's from. Because he was raised here then.
Ano yung naging course mo sa UP?
Broadcast communication.
Oh, kaya magaling magsalita. Oh, so ito
Thank
si
you.
Richard, zero Pinoy blood, tulad ng ating former housemates Daniel Matsunaga, Ryan Bang, madami pa tayong no Pinoy blood. Pero sa anong punto mo na-realize na pusong Pinoy ka, considering nga wala kang Pinoy blood?
I think for starters, I like to eat balot.
Oh,
Madaming mga foreigners na ayaw sila magkain ng balot,
Totoo,
diba?
totoo.
Sa akin, I love it. One of my favorite Filipino dishes. And I guess yun parang the fact that yung parents ko naman, they were from here, they were raised here, and my grandfather also fought for Philippines in a World War II. I feel like it's in me already na may pusong Pinoy na talaga.
iba din. Ano ba tungkol sa mga Pinoy ang nilove mo na, inangkin mo na, kaya kahit
Na-engage ka.
Chinese blood ka Pinoy ka?
I guess yung pinaka-favorite ko siguro yung mga food. Kasi madami mga
Pagkain.
Filipino
Ang
dishes.
payat mo ha, pero kung maka-unlove sa food.
Super takaw ako. As in super duper.
Uy,
Kanin, mahilig ka sa kanin.
ilan taong ka na ba?
23.
Sa ano pa eh?
Girl.
Growing stage.
Kala mo naman, ang layo ng edad nyo kung maka-growing
Growing stage ka pa pare,
naman.
pero you'll get there.
One day,
Wow,
one day.
you'll get here!
You'll get there, huwag kang mag-alala.
I will work hard. I will work hard for it.
Alright, I'm sure yung mga pamilya natin just wondering, ano ba ang dapat abangan sa pagpasok mo sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya? What can we expect?
I guess
Or
you.
what should we expect from the community?
I guess you will be able to see the real side of Richard Juan. Kasi like when I was younger, I was more of an introvert. Pero dumating na ako sa Philippines, that's when I parang naging more outgoing. So I guess inside the house, that's when I can show na parang ano ba yung totoong Richard Juan? Yun shy na Richard Juan? Or ba yun parang outgoing, happy-go-lucky type of, yeah.
Yun ba ang gusto mo ding ma-discover sa loob ng bahay?
Sino nga ba si Richard
Sino
Juan?
ba talagang si Richard Juan? So yeah.
Ikaw naman, ano ang expectations mo sa pagiging isang housemate? What do you want to achieve? Ano gusto mo matutunan?
Sa totoo lang, gusto ko lang being away from my family also. So it's a chance for me to learn
Yes.
to be alone
Yes.
without the help of my social media, to keep in touch with my family. So it's really about being alone din eh. And so yeah, like I said earlier, parang to discover who Richard Juan really
Yes.
is.
Ang dami din ganyan eh. Sumasali talaga sa Pinoy Big Brother para ma-test kumusta ako out of my comfort zone. no? So, I'm sure sa lahat ng mga Chinito fans, mga Richard Yap, ako nakikita ko sa kanya parang younger brother ni... Do you know Richard Yap?
Yeah, I do.
You know
Papa
Papa
Chen.
Chen.
Yeah. I know who he is, but I don't know him personally.
Parang younger brother.
Totoo.
Abangan niyo si Richard din.
Or kapatid ni Yensong.
Kapatid ni Enchong.
Secret lang
Malayo
yan.
naman yun.
Wow. Alright.
Thank you
Kasi
very much.
medyo maraming nabitin sa interview natin. Kaya huwag kang mga pamilya, huwag kayong mag-alala dahil mamaya makikita pa natin si Richard Juan sa Aquino ng Bunda Tonight.
Hindi ko alam yan ah.
Ay, talaga?
Hindi ko alam yan.
Totoo yan? Well, ngayon, isa pa sabog na yan. Sinabi namin dito, okay. So, ay...
Hi, Mama Bear, Sir Ray, Miss Mercy. Hello. Yun. Thank you very much, Richard. I'm sure maraming mag-aabang sa'yo and what you have to show and offer sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya. And thank you for being pusong Pinoy.
Thank you so
Kahit
much.
na walang Pinoy blood. Ngayon, I'm sorry. Kailangan mong bumalik sa iyong cloak at blindfold bilang part ng pagiging isang housemate. Hindi siya nakaka-enjoy, pero part talaga yan.
At
ng
tanda mo,
challenge na ni Kuya.
Hindi mo pa alam kung ano mangyayari mamaya.
Ano mangyari mamaya? Wala na ba?
Di ba? Exactly.
Ang bilis
Oo.
naka-pick up.
Exactly.
In
Appear.
fairness,
Alright.
talaga.
Once again, palama po na Richard kung ano ang TV sa SB7 online.
Thank you very
Maraming
much.
salamat.
Robbie, hatid mo
Tara,
siya
hatid na
para
kita.
sa kanyang... Thank you, thank you.
Saan tayo
We'll
pupunta?
see you
Sa-
again.
Sa hotel na tayo. Next hotel, di ba?
House arrest na siya. Oo, iba din eh. Oo.